In this explanation, I will walk through how the multi-user set system operates, focusing on the interaction between client and the server. The test system comprises a centralized server and multiple client applications. The server facilitates communication between clients by managing client connection and relaying messages. Clients launch the state application and provide the server's IP address to establish a connection. Upon successful connection, clients can set a nickname to identify themselves within the chat. Then clients can send text messages which are transmitted to the server for distribution to other connected clients. The server receives messages from clients and broadcasts them to all other connected clients, enable real-time communication. Clients can create channel to organize conversation or join existing channels. When a client creates a channel, the server stores the channel's information and notifies all connected clients about its creation. Clients can join specific channels to participate in conversation within those channels. Client also able to send private message to a specific user so that the messages being the agreed to person can see the message, not all other client able to see the messages, so that the privacy can maintained. And the server is listening for incoming connection from client and accepts new connection as they arrive. Upon connection, the server assigns a unique identifier like such as name to each client and maintains a list of active client connection. Server also act to receives a message from client. It processes the message based on its content. If the message is intended to broadcast to all clients, the server forwards it to the all client clients. If the message is a private message or channel related command, the server routes it according to the intended recipients. The server implements error handling mechanism to gratefully manage unexpected events such as client disconnection or network errors. In case of a client disconnecting unexpectedly, the server removes the client from the list of active connections and notifies other clients about the disconnection. Now I'm going to demonstrate how it will happen. Let's see, I am start the server and it is now listening for connection. Now I am going to enable the um, uh, I'm going to enable the client to establish the connection with the server. Here it go, like I am just putting the IP address of the server so that mm, let's see, it can make a connection with the server. Like I am now going to the nickname of the client, and there's a message Tipu. The name is Tipu, and it's joined to the chat and the server. I can see that a connection from this port to the server. Now going to the second client, like going to establish a connection with the server, and this is and this name is like, and the message is going to the other that Nipu has joined the thread. So the client Tipu see the message that Nipu has joined the thread, and we see the server that a new connection is established. Now for the client 3, not 0.1, we can set a nickname like Poop, and he is joined, and all other see that they will join the thread, and the Tipu see that the Nipu and Oppo are now joining the thread, and the server we see that also another connection is established for the server. Now we see, going to send a message from the Tipu. Let's say hi all. So in server, I see that there is a message that Tipu send a message like hi all, and it is now broadcasting to all other, like from it gets Nipu gets the message from Tipu that hi all, and also Oppo gets the message from the Tipu that hi all, so that the message is transmitted all the client connected to the server. Now let's see, Tipu wants to send a private message to the Oppo. So here is go Oppo, uh, hello Oppo. and the Oppo get the private message from the Tipu that hello Oppo, and Nipu didn't get any message because this is a private message, so the privacy is maintained. Now Tipu wants to create a channel, so that he just going to create chat underscore room, and we see the message that chat room uh, channel chat room created successfully. So that there is a message broadcast to the so that we found it, and now he just want to invite the person to join his channel, so that invite uh, chat underscore room like Oppo, so that here you see that invitation send Oppo to for channel chat room, and for Nipu there is no message because this is for invitation is going to the Oppo, so that for Oppo and there is a you have been invited to join this channel. Then Oppo going to join this channel like join chat underscore room, so that join channel chat room successfully, so that now uh, Tipu send a message to the uh, uh, this chat room, right? Hi Oppo, how are you? So the message is going to Oppo, like in this channel, hi Oppo, how are you? So Tipu send this message, hi Oppo, how are you? Um, for a channel, and the Nipu didn't get it because he didn't join to the channel. So Oppo get the message, Tipu, hi, how are you? Then Oppo replied that, hello Tipu, I am fine. Now the message going get Tipu that I am fine, and Nipu he didn't get any message because it's a channel. He didn't join to the channel. So that's how the user can uh, invite their desired candidate to join his channel, and they can operate each other. And server tracks all the messages they like Tipu send hi Oppo, how are you, to the channel and Oppo, so that he distribute this to the um, designated um, um, line. Now, here I am going to discuss how transparency, scalability, and failure handling in this method. Like the servers interacts with the clients transparently by handling incoming connection and messages seamlessly without exposing the underlying network operation to users. Users communicate with the server using a standard text-based message, which are processed by the server to perform various actions such as creating channel, sending message, joining channel, etc. Like in this method, we find we see that in car server when a connection is established, there is some message. When they send message, there are some message, and also like when the user going to disconnect from the leave the chat room, that there is message that disconnected from the chat, and also in server there is message that Oppo is disconnected. So that by doing this we see that this is handled. The server architecture supports concurrent connection from multiple clients using threading. Each client connection is handled in a separate thread, allowing the server to scale and serve multiple clients simultaneously. We see in our application that there are three users, and they are all going all are connected to the server, so that there are multiple, so that it ensures that the multiple users are concurrently connected with the server, and it's then channels are implemented as list of client sockets which can accommodate multiple users simultaneously. So this design allows for the creation of multiple channels capable of supporting multiple users, therefore enhancing scalability. The server implements error handling mechanism to gratefully handle exceptions and unexpected events such as connection error or client disconnection. If a client disconnects unexpectedly, the server removes the client from the active connection list and notifies other client about the disconnection. Like here, I am going to disconnect the like Oppo. Let's see, and I am just forcefully disconnect the Oppo, and in the server there is a message there Oppo disconnected. And also, if I am going to disconnect the NIPU, like terminate, and here we find the NIPU is disconnected, so that we get and if we also like if we are going to put a wrong address, like you see when going to establish a new connection, um, let's see. When we put a wrong IP address, it will not connect it to the server, and it closes the operation. Like uh, 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 I am going to demonstrate it. Like uh, uh, okay, Python. Here you go. Shut dot 0.0.1, and in server we found that this is not going to connect it, so that this the prompt is going to remove. So that's how we can achieve the functionality of the multi-thread system. And here I am trying to implement all the necessary requirement for this system.